So, step 18. So, 5 teardrops, I think. It's pretty sparkly. That's the glitter one. You guys see that? Oops. So, treasures. You know what I want to do?